Hello beauty crew and welcome back to She Does Beauty, and if you're new, hello. So I know it's been a while since I've done one of these acrylic nail looks, so let's go ahead and do two really cute fall ones. We'll do kind of a traditional look and then more of a super pink and fun look. So let's go ahead and get started with our first one. For this first look, I'm going with kind of a marble kind of feel, not super marble, but just enough, just a little bit. So I am laying down Cover Blush by Young Nails, and then after I have that full nail with that Cover Blush, I'm going to take a really nice caramel brown from Savage Nail Supplies, and I'm just going to start placing that in a marble kind of pattern, and we're going to take Mist from Bit Nails and just kind of add in that off-white just to kind of balance it out and just make it look a little softer. Now we're just going to keep marbling in that nail little by little. I don't want the brown to overtake the Cover Blush and the off-white. So I'm just going to kind of do like a zigzaggy kind of pattern, and then I'm going to accentuate it with some gold foil. I'm already loving how this nail is coming out. I love the brown, white, and gold look. It's super classy, and I don't know, just something about it I love. Once I have all the gold foil I want placed down, I'm going to take these really cute fall leaf stickers and just start applying them along that brown marble and kind of go in a diagonal or a slanted kind of look. Sometimes the stickers try to fight you, but it's okay because we're just going to encapsulate them with clear acrylic, or you can cover this nail with clear acrylic and then add these on top and then encapsulate them with the gel. So totally up to you if you want them inside the nail with acrylic or if you just wanted to do a gel top coat over them. Either way, they'll pretty much stay. Now once those are placed where you want, and as many as you want, we're going to go ahead and encapsulate the entire nail just to protect the stickers, the foil, and not to file off any of that or the colored acrylic underneath. Now just encapsulate to your likeness on how thick you want them. If you make them a little too thick, you can always go back with a nail file or a drill and thin them out just a little bit, but you don't want the stickers or foil exposed. Now once you're happy with your encapsulation, we'll go ahead and put it to the side to dry, and we will file, shape, and buff and move on to our next nail. This nail we're going to be using cover blush as well, and for this part we're just going to be ombreing it into our clear tip. Once your ombre is to your liking and you ombre it down to the tip as much as you wanted or liked, we're gonna go ahead and just make sure our nail bed part is very opaque, just so we don't see any of that. And then we are going to go and take Secret Nail Affairs Astronomical. It's a very pretty mylar glitter, and we're going to add that kind of where the nail tip and the nail bed meet, so basically where you glue the nail tip to. Now after we ombre that glitter in, we'll go ahead and take some of the pink fall leaves and we'll just kind of sporadically place them onto the clear tip, kind of as if they were falling down from the glitter and the ombre. Now I like to put down a base layer of clear, just in case the spangles want to act up and not stick to the nail, kind of how that other one was. But once you have that clear layer of acrylic down, it'll be way easier for the glitters and spangles to adhere. So next, once we have our spangles to our liking, we'll go ahead and just place some gold foil just to give it a little something. I really love how this accent nail is coming out. It's super pretty, but it's pink and it's fall time. I love it. It would look so good with some hot pink French tips and 2 of these as an accent nail. Yes, please. So after you're done placing the glitter and the foil down, we're gonna go ahead and encapsulate that entire nail. And I just wanted to take a minute to tell you guys one thing I am super grateful for are you. You guys are so amazing. I truly love my subscribers with all my heart. And I'm sorry I've been slacking. Your girl got a real government job. Not working for the government, but just like a legit job. So that's kind of been taking a lot of my time now. But I did miss doing nails, so I thought I would crank out at least 2 of these super cute fall nails for you. So let me know what you think, and I hope you have an amazing turkey day. Now let's get back to top coating these fall nails. Mwah. So here I'm just taking my IBD top coat in clear, and I'm just going to apply that to the entire nail. I love how this looks. This is like a really cute nail look. I never would have thought of it before, and I was like, you know what, I have to use these leaf stickers, and I'm just really happy with how this came out. I love it. Now for this really cute pink leaf one, I don't have favorites, gosh. No, but I really do like them both, but I will say the pink one might have my heart just a little bit more because I love that mylar glitter. Look at how pretty these are. Oof. I love both of them, and as I said before, I hope you have an amazing turkey day, and I hope you get to celebrate with the ones you love. And don't forget to comment on this video with anything you would like to see next, and I love you, beauty crew. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.